know who I need to talk to for some advice. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, I ain't letting it go, man. I ain't letting it go. I got a plan, man. I got a backup plan. Cause I was thinking last night. I said, man, I still ain't feeling too good about the truck, man. I had to really analyze the data. I ain't feeling too good about the truck. Going against wifey, man. What crazy? That's crazy, man. How I want to beat my own car? That's crazy, man. I want to beat the brakes out my own car. It's crazy. I gotta have a back though, man. So I'm thinking, I was like, let me pull up on my bro Jesse, man. Let me see what he think, man. Have he even seen the race? He might not even saw it. So I was like, man, let me pull up at Lawless. I like the day pretty decent, and I'm gonna hop in my backup plan. Yes, indeed. This is my backup plan. So if I can't get it done with the truck, I ain't stopping. I'm not stopping until I get my revenge, man. That just period. I am not stopping until I get my revenge, man. So if that don't work, then I'm finna make some test runs on my way there in Dolo. I'm gonna make some test runs, and I'm gonna see. Cause y'all know what the test did. Still spin, but I might give her everything in drag racing. And if you don't know what everything in drag racing is, that's the back tie, the hit, and I have to clear, which means I have to gap her. And I'm gonna have to gap anyway. I got to get that back. I got to get that back, man. I was not playing with that race. Like when I'm running, I'm trying to win. I'm trying to win, man. I don't know what the hell I was thinking about putting that car right there in some drive, thinking it's gonna go, and it's a real true stock 350, and then it didn't register to me that it's a 308 one tire. I'm like, come on, man, thing here it drive good. I mean, it get you where you want to go. It ride good, but it ain't. Man, I can't go out like that, man. She put major space on me, man. I gotta. So this is my backup plan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm finna pull up on Jesse, man. I'm gonna ask him what he think. I'm gonna say, man, what you think? Or if he might not even saw the race, man. He probably ain't even saw it yet. But I'm gonna pull up on Jesse, man. I'm gonna say what he think, man. Should I go ahead and take out with this, give everything in racing, or should I try in the L150, or should I try my luck with both? And then if I beat in both, I'll be 2 up. So that's what we about to do. I'm about to hop in this monster right here and pull up. We're gonna make some test runs on the way. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna turn the drag on. I ain't got the mount today. I'm gonna just turn the drag on for data purpose. Then I'm going to pull up on Jesse and see what he think. If he ain't saw the race, I'm gonna show him the race. So that's what we got going on. So let's do it. All right, look, we checking in. So I'm headed to Jesse. I thought about it. I said, y'all remember the other day, I didn't the nut fell off for the linkage. So I came by AutoZone, Boy, Scott got me right. They had what I needed, so we out here popping it on. And I'm finna get this switched out, but I made it over here without it popping off. So I'm gonna get this changed out, then I'll turn y'all back on. But I had to turn y'all on for the little intermission, let y'all know what's going on. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, finishing up. Got this new one on here. Put the pin in. Then we good to go. Go ahead and pay for it. Cause we just ripped it out the pack and got to it. So I'm gonna pay for this. Hey, flood the carburetor, but I need to. I get the pin. I'm gonna have to. She'll crank. He'll crank, I meant. I got to fold it back, man. Caught up here. Got no tools, y'all. I don't keep tools in my car. Cause I don't intend on working on my car, man. I go to the track, I don't take no tools or nothing, y'all. Y'all know that if you watch me. I say, hey, I don't go to the track or nothing to work on no car. If it break, I'm call tow man. Just that simple. There you go. We on there. Alright, y'all. I just got over here to Lawless. Got my racing jacket too, man, cause like maybe this'll help. Maybe this'll help, man. Alright, camera head cut off, man. Jesse already, man, I know this man ain't, man.
He needs
Man, what you
some
looking
milk.
at,
Man, what happened? She kicked your ass.
Oh!
Man.
Yeah, oh man, that's right.
Man, I get out and he looking at.
Man, she kicked your ass on that one.
Man, I just came over here for some advice, man.
You gotta get a faster car.
Oh my God. Man, so you don't think the racing jacket will help me, man, if I put the racing jacket on?
I don't think it's gonna help you. I don't know, you have to get some more nitrous or something.
Oh my God. Well, let me, man, what you think, man? Should I use Dolo instead, or should I try in the F-150? Like, what you think?
Man, I think you're gonna have to use Dolo to get that.
I'm gonna have to use Dolo.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Made it back from Lawless. The whole world done seen the race. The whole world done seen the video, man. I got to have my get back. We might have to get this done this week. Me and wife might have to get this done this week. I got to get my get back, man. Y'all saw my pass. I caught the end part of it on the way home. Tell y'all secret. I ran the best pass I ever ran in the road on the 26s. So maybe I need to take Jesse's advice and let her get in this and give her everything in drag race. And then that'll be the ultimate revenge right there. I think I need to do that. I might still try in the truck, but I think I need to give her everything in drag race. The back tire, the hit, and the clear. Which means I got a gap. I stay on the 26s. And then just really get my get back. Or maybe I need to go ahead and maybe I just need to go ahead and do it in the truck, man. Maybe she won't even get past the truck. I don't think she'll get past the truck, man. Maybe, what y'all think, man? What y'all think? Go and try the truck first. What y'all think, man? Should I try the truck, get my revenge back in the truck first? Or should I just go on straight to the monster? Let me know. I got to get my get back, man. I got to get my get back, man. I've been testing. I made two hits and Dolo on the wheels. The first one I was looking sad, man. I couldn't catch it. I was just, I couldn't catch the tail end of it because I was using my main phone, which I usually use to record. I was using it to capture the draggy. So then I switched to my business phone, and I was able to catch that last clip for y'all on the way home. So y'all let me know, man. But on another note, I did run the fastest I ever ran. I done figured something out with these wheels, man. I figured something out with these wheels. If you part of the BCG Hangout, you're going to know exactly what I done, man. I mean, I ran the fastest. When I saw that ticket, I was shocked. I was like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, if I ran this fast on a street, a bare street with no burnout, on some 26s, when I go to the track on motor, I know what time it's gonna be. I know exactly what time it's gonna be. So, and we got some more heat coming, man. We got some collaborations coming this week too. So yeah, y'all gonna definitely want to tune in. I got some collaborations coming this week. But it's gonna be some good stuff, man. But I'm gonna catch one of these days, man. I'm gonna catch one of these days, man. We're gonna have to go round two. We're gonna have to get a round two on, man. I got to get my get back, man. We're going to do bet 2 out of 3. But we got to have a round 2. But I think I'm going to end up going in the truck anyway. I'm going in the truck anyway, cause I think I gap in Dolo. The truck I ain't so sure about. But y'all stay tuned, man. The saga going to continue. Y'all stay tuned. The saga gonna continue, man. I'm coming back. I'm telling them, cause I told people, you saw my comment on Wife and Town. I said I'm coming out swinging, man. I am not playing. I'm coming out swinging. I'm coming out hard, man. Like 8 Ball and MJG. Like they said, I'm coming out hard, man. I brought my racing coat. Thought it might help me. Jesse said it won't help. So then he already looking at the video when I pull up. So I don't know, man. We gonna see. The saga gonna continue, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Cause I'm done talking. I done did my testing. I done sized the car she gonna be using up. I done tested in the truck. I done tested in Dolo. I got a plan now. I'm ready. I'm ready, man. Now it's gonna be her move. And we're gonna see what happens. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all. BCG. We out.